My main man, Will Cleghorn with Rytech Restoration. Will's been a trusted partner for us for years, doing mold remediation, fire cleanup, and problem cleanup. So, Will, tell us why your company and you are the best in the biz.
Malcolm, thanks for having me. I appreciate it, and appreciate the partnership I have with you guys. Y'all provide some great quality mold testing for us. But we do provide the best quality of work here in town. We are here locally. Our office is in Ottawa, so we are here. So when you call, you get us. You get us coming out to take a look at it. You get us doing the work. We also do it for what I think is one of the fairest prices in town. Mold remediation can be expensive, but we're very fair in how we go about it. Every estimate we provide to you is line item and detailed, and we follow IICRC standards. So I feel like you just can't beat the price and the quality here locally.
And you can give an estimate according to a home inspection report and mold results.
When I get a detailed report like Chattanooga Home Inspector provides, we can use those reports to help write our estimates, and we do that quite frequently.
Tell us how we can get a hold of you.
All right. Easiest way to do that is to give us a call. Our telephone number is 423-896-2805.
And your website?
Check us out at rytechinc.com. That is RYTECHINC.com.
Thanks, bro.
Thanks, Malcolm.